Hi everyone. In this quick little video, I'm going to show you how to use our tool called Markup.com to leave comments and feedback as well as uploading images that you want us to use or other content that you want us to use on the website. So as you see here, I'm on the home page of the website. Um, Basically, it's pretty straightforward. Let's say you wanted to change this text, for instance. You can just highlight over it and then click it, and then you'll see this thing here that pops up that says add a comment here or press space bar. So basically what you just need to do, you just need to add a comment. So for instance, if I said that, hey, I want to change this to lower case. Once you do that, you can also include an attachment along with it, as well as like a video. And then once you do that, you complete whatever it is that you want us to change or any feedback you may have, you press post. So once I do that, post, and then it'll appear for us to see. Um, so basically what you can do is you can go through page by page, adding comments like this in any section that you want us to adjust. Or if you want us to add any images, you can go through again, page by page, adding any comments along with the image or the video that you want us to change it to. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.